Halloween ABCs, come and sing with me. Spooky letters A to Z, trick or treat and dance with glee. Learn the alphabet magically. A is for apple,
bobbing in the night.
B is for bat,
Flying out of sight.
C is for candy,
Sweet and neat.
D is for Dracula dancing to the beat. E is for eyeball, rolling on the floor. F is for Frankenstein,
Knocking at your door.
G is for ghost,
Who loves to say boo.
H is for haunted house just for you. I is for insect,
Crawling by the moon.
J is for jack-o'-lantern,
Turn glowing soon.
K is for kitten,
In a witch's hat.
L is for lantern, lighting up the mat. M is for mummy,
Wrapped up tight.
N is for night,
On Halloween night.
O is for owl,
Hooting in the tree.
P is for pumpkin, smiling at me. Q is for quilt,
Spooky and old.
R is for raven,
Brave and bold.
S is for skeleton,
Dancing with glee.
T is for treats for you and me.
U is for under the bed. Monsters hide.
V is for vampire,
With a cape so wide.
W is for witch,
Flying through the sky.
X is for X-ray, see my bones, oh my. Y is for yawn, after Halloween fun. Z is for zombie, time to run. Halloween ABCs, we sang them all today. Spooky letters A to Z, trick or treat, hip hip hooray. Let's